Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you top 5 best features in Zenfone 11 Ultra that you didn't know of. The first one is speed up animations. You can speed up animations in your phone to make it appear faster. Let's go to Settings, System, then let's go to About Phone, Software Information, and let's press on build number a few times. Now let's unlock our phone. We have gotten developer privileges. Let's go back to System. Now developer options. Let's slide down just about here, and now we can change animation scale. Let's set it to off, and now how you can see, there's no animations, so it appears faster. The second thing I want to show you is split screen. You can open an app, for example Chrome, then go to app drawer and press on app icon. Then press on split screen and open another app which you want to use. Now you can adjust the window size and use two apps at once. The next thing is one-handed mode. To turn it on, go to Settings, Advanced, and enable one-handed mode. When you have it enabled, it allows you to use your phone with one hand. You can simply swipe down on the bottom, and that allows you to reach top informations with your thumb. Now, let's see back tap. Let's go to Settings, also Advanced, back tap, and let's turn on double tap for flashlight. We can also change which action we want on double tap. And now to activate the flashlight, let's hold our phone and tap twice on the back. How you can see the flashlight lit up. And the last thing I want to show you is always on display. To turn it on, go to Display, then scroll down and turn on Always On panel. Now you can adjust clock style and also when to display. I will set it to always, and now when I close my phone, always on display pops up. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.